his team of vibrant cabinet ministers, invited guests, senior civil servants. Today, Boa is a blessed area.
Ina mani ulen wogi, ina gana liu, ina mi avansilis cabinet ministers. Wami na ibakale buam mi u yabe umaniskin.
Ya, não pula bata. Pulare. Ya, cesana buno waktu mandama menturang buli dama. Ya, bawa bina tak kena bikin jawab waktu apa buno. Kita bagi cikil na welis lisi pematentu. Nasa wale buna bilang itu. Nasa wale buna bibaturang taki. Turang buli dama. Honorable Ministers, Chairman Fiji Rice Limited, Mr. Raj Sharma, Manager Fiji Rice Limited, Mr. Ashrit, Meal Operations Manager, Mr. Rahil Prasad, government officials, ladies and gentlemen, Bulaminaka, and very good afternoon to everyone. Bulare. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm glad to be here. Glad to be in Vunivau this week, where I'll be commissioning a range of new products, all intended to uplift the quality of life for Fijians in the friendly north. And for the families of Vunivau this afternoon, the new rice harvester will do just that. Because while the nation reels from the global economic impact of COVID-19, when it comes to continuing our national development, your government will not rest. We're dedicated to building on the progress that we've achieved together, investing in our communities from the ground up. By giving Fijians the tools they need, they can overcome any obstacles. So today, we're happy to be handing over one very big machine indeed, in the form of a new $60,000 rice harvester. Rice, of course, is a staple found on kitchen tables throughout the country, but all too often that rice is grown thousands of kilometers away, imported from some far-off country. But there's no reason that Fiji and our ideal climate for rice cultivation can make that journey from the rice paddy to our tables much, much shorter. With our eyes set on our wholly sustainable agroeconomy, rice will play an essential role in achieving this vision. That's why government is providing assistance every step of the way, from seed to harvest to milling, to make rice farming as hassle-free and profitable as possible. And even before seed is planted, the Ministry of Agriculture is investing in research to ensure that we are tapping into Fiji's farming potential in the most impactful way possible. From community-based farming to large commercial farms, we'll get there by working together. And farmers like you here in Vunivau, right here in Vunivau, are our most valuable asset. This new combined harvester will cut down on labor and cost of growing rice and allow you to grow crops with higher yields without worrying about physically toiling to reap the benefits. By creating a more modern, mechanized rice farming industry in Vunivau, across Mboa, and all throughout Fiji, we're bringing this crop into the future and uplifting the quality of your lives in the process. I look forward to watching the many families of Vunivau take advantage of this new tool at their disposal and share in the economic benefits in the next harvesting season and well beyond. We thank you and God bless you all. Where do you want me to cut? Okay. Happy Diwali. One for here, one for one for Chabi ka? No, they've got a gumboot there. Huh? Gumboot there. Prepare the land. Yeah, prepare the land. Yeah, power tiller. Yeah, you can put the thing here. You can. Maro. Maro. Oh, this way. Hey.
कोई नहीं बिक पाई हम नहीं तुम टाइमिंग लाइट भी पड़ी तब तुम्हारा इतना नहीं तुम गजी छूट दिया बाल इतना
What